Find the equation of a parabola given 3 points. So let's say we have 3 points given. They have to be non-collinear in order for it to work. If they're all in the same line, you wouldn't be able to fit it with a parabola. So here is the template for the parabola. And we got to find the A, B, and C coefficients. So one way to do it is with the matrix method that was shown earlier in other videos. So using 1, 2, using that point, the first one, it's a x squared, but x is 1, plus bx, x is 1, plus c equals 2, the y coordinate. Similarly, using the second point, a times x squared, x is negative 1, x is negative 1, and that has to come out to be 4. And then using the last point, 2, 7, x is 2, and it all has to come out to be 7. Okay, now we have our system of equations. A times 1 squared is a, plus b times 1 plus c is 2. That's this one. A times 1 squared, that's a, minus b, that's this one, plus c equals 4. That's that equation. This one is 4a, that's 4a, plus 2b, there's the 2b, plus c equals 7, 7. So there's the 3 equations in 3 variables. Now using this matrix method, we do the second matrix and we edit over, or scroll over to edit, and we choose the number 1 A matrix, and that brings us to the screen. You make it be a 3 by 3, and you put in the coefficient matrix. The coefficient matrix is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Okay, then you go over and back to second matrix and scroll over to edit and pick the number 2 matrix, the B matrix, to work on. And that comes up with this screen, and you put in the answer, or the right hand column, B matrix 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. Okay, then you do second quit, which brings you to a blank home screen, and you make it blank, you delete everything off there. Then you go second matrix, number 1, that's the A matrix. Then you hit the x and negative 1 key, that puts the negative 1 there, and the times multiplication puts that there. Then goes second matrix, number 2, that's the B matrix. Choose that one, it puts the B there, then enter gives you the answer, and that's your A, B, and C. So that's A is 2, B is negative 1, C is 1. And then of course you would put those into the template right here. A is 2, B is negative 1, C is 1. So there's your parabola. So here's the original points. I want to check to see if it really is correct. So I put 2x squared minus x plus 1 in the calculator to graph it. After messing with the window a little bit to make it look better, this is what we get. Sure enough, 2 7's right here. 1, 2 is right there. And negative 1, 4 is right there. It fits all 3 points perfect. Now if you wanted to do it by hand, this is the way you would do it. You'd have your 3 equations and 3 variables. You'd use number 1 to get rid of the C in number 2, and to get rid of the C in number 1. So you go through these steps, and I'm just going to show them here on the page, but you plan out negative 1 times 3 plus 2. That takes you to that. And so here's negative 1 times 3. See, negative 1 throughout there. Gives you negative 1 times the third equation. And plus the number 2 is here. You add it down. You come up with this. Then you realize that negative 3 divides out on both sides. That's fortunate. So you come up with this. So that's your new number 4 equation. Then you use negative 1 times equation 3, add it to equation 1. So there's equation 1 right there. Add down, get this, the c's cancel out. And so now you got your new number 5 equation and your number 4. Now you solved that 2 by 2. That's your whole goal, to get it to be a 2 by 2. These you don't even have to adjust anything. They add straight down and get rid of the b. So that would be negative 2a equals negative 4, a equals 2. Now you're on your way. You have the number 4 equation sitting on the page. That's 8 plus b equals 1. A plus b equals 1. Put in the a equal 2 right there for the a. So 2 plus b equals 1. Subtract 2 from both sides, you get b equals negative 1. Now you sub into any equation. 1 looks pretty simple. Number 1 equation is a plus b plus c equals 2. Put in the b equals negative 1 right there for the b. And 2 plus negative 1 is 1. Plus c equals 2. Subtract 1. C equals 1. And then you have your template. And then you would put the ABC, which is 2, negative 1, 1. 2, negative 1, 1. And that would be your parabola.